Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going over a trade on Thursday that I took. It was 13th of March and basically I took a short on NQ. So we'll start on the daily. It will just be a very quick recap video going over my NQ strategy. So we see that on Wednesday we respected this daily fair value gap, and on Wednesday we swept previous day high and we didn't end up closing above it. So on Thursday what I expected was for us to take out Wednesday low, which was that right there. So that was Wednesday low. You can see there, and you can also see that we were in a bearish H4 fair value gap for a while, but we didn't really move much down. And then this was the trade right there. You can also see on the H4 that we got this candle closing below these two, so we got a H4 change in a state of delivery. And then on the 1 hour, you can see that we have this H1 fair value gap right here. So we went into that fair value gap and started going down, but my trade was at around 9, so honestly that one fair value gap was probably not enough because it was not a new fair value gap that price just went into. So I had to look for another one, another PD array, which was this 30-minute inverse right here. So after tapping into that H1 fair value gap, we went down and inverse this fair value gap on the 30-minute. So yeah, on the 9, so when 9 hour started, we see that we were in that 30-minute inverse fair value gap, and I just waited for an entry model, which for NQ I use the 3-minute. On EU I usually use the 5-minute, but on NQ I use the 3-minute. So we can see here we were kind of chopping around, and I entered when we had this change in the state of delivery right here. So we closed below these candles and then I entered there. My fill was a bit late, so it was around there, and I had my stops just above this high, and then I had my first target here and then my second target here. So because on NQ I'm trading futures, it's much easier to do partials, so I had one here and one here. And pretty much that's it for this trade. You can see that this is the 30-minute fair value gap, by the way. When it went up, there was no entry model until after 9:30. So yeah, it's important for us to wait for an entry model after getting into the higher time frame PD array that we want. So yeah, after that I entered, and I had, yeah, this was the previous day low, so I could have targeted that, but I just wanted to target a 1 to 2, so I targeted that body right there as my final take profit because I only had 2 contracts on, so I could only have 2 partials. So yeah, that was it for this trade. It's a pretty simple continuation trade. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.